Well, of course, energy prices in the Middle East are much lower due to reduced tariffs, and the cost benefit ratio may suggest otherwise. So, aside from national initiatives on energy efficiency, why should we insulate if it only increases construction cost? A very important question. So, the realistic reasons are: number one, reducing cooling energy loss lowers the air conditioning load, allowing it to turn off for short periods, which helps extend its lifespan and reduces expensive repair cost. Number two reason, from a nationwide perspective, reducing cooling energy loss cuts energy demand and conserves fossil fuels. Even a 10% saving could match the output of a renewable energy power plant. Number three reason, energy prices keep rising, yet buildings last for centuries, not for decades, not for 50 years, but for centuries. So the decision made today will impact generations. Look at what happened in the United Kingdom, where many homes remain uninsulated. Energy costs are among the highest globally, leading to the harsh choice between heating or eating. Number fourth reason is humanity naturally progresses forward from one innovation that was good in the past to another that is better for the present and the future until something even better comes along. At the moment, vacuum insulation is the present and the future.